In this video, we're going to look at the select case statement. In the last video, we were making the guess the number program. And what we did, I put it in comments here, is I said that if I used an if-then statement, and if the guess is less than our secret number, we're going to say that your guess is too small. We use the else statement for what would happen if the condition is false. And in this case, we said that the secret number was not less than, so we said your guess is going to be too large. And then we added a third if statement here to say if your guess is equal to the secret number, then our label is going to say you guessed my number. Well, that's great, but it can be a little bit complex. Another way to do a structured if-then statement is to use the select case statement. And the select case statement is a conditional control structure that uses an expression, and we base everything on that expression to decide what we're going to execute. And sometimes I like this structure better than if-then statement because it's easier to read. And if you take a look at the example here, I am using an example of the guessing game, and you can see that it's pretty easy to read here. I select my guess, and the case is if the guess is less than the secret number, the label is going to say it's too small. The case is greater than the secret number, the label is going to say your guess is too large. And if the case is equal to the secret number, the label is going to say you guessed my number. And I like that structure because it's very easy to read. It's very close to English. And so let's add this to Visual Basic, and I'll show you that it works just the same. So in here, I comment it out, so you can refer to it, but I'm going to paste the select case statement. So this is the code that's going to execute, and you'll see select case guess, and let's see what happens. So I press play. My secret number was 67. So let's see what happens now with my program. So I'm going to guess a number like 88. And it's going to say your guess is too large. I'm going to guess a number like 44. And it's going to say your guess is too small. And I'm going to put a number of 67. And it will say you guessed my number because we guessed the number. So in here, I think it's an easier way to do an if-then statement. Certainly not every time, but in something where we're going to do the same thing, or we're going to do different things for the same expression, I think this is an easier way to do it. It just makes it really compact and easy to read.